Histograms. A histogram is a visual representation of data that uses bars to show the distribution of data into ranges. And those ranges are called bins. So one key thing that I want to point out with a histogram is that the bars, they always touch each other. Whereas in a bar graph or a bar chart, you could have spaces between the bars. So these are all smushed together. The bins are identified with the ranges. So the ranges are the actual numbers. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bins in this histogram. Now let's interpret some of the data that's given to us using the exact same histogram. How many students took the test? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find out what the frequency or the tally of each bar. So if I look at the left-hand bar, there's 2, then 3, 6, 3, and 4. So I'm just looking at the height of the bar, and then I'm reading the frequency off of the vertical axes. So to find out how many students took the test, I'm going to add these numbers together. And that total is 18. How many students scored between 0 and 59? So I'm going to look at that range between 0 and 59, and the frequency is 2, so that's our solution. How many students passed with 70 plus? So I'm going to look at the 3 bins on the right hand side and add those numbers together. 6 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 13. And the last question, what percent of the students scored 80 or higher? So 80 or higher would be the right 2 bins. So we have 3 plus 4, but we're trying to find a percentage. So that's 7 out of the total number of students who took the test. And then if we want a percentage, we have to multiply that by 100. So we end up getting 38.9%.